Christine. I'm the cookware buyer at Sous Chef, and I'm here with Lily, one of our other buyers, and Holly, our food editor. And we're going to talk about some of our favorite new in for the last month.
Yes, we have a lot of really exciting products to talk about today.
All right, so what's this one? This looks quite interesting to me.
This one, I'm really excited about this one. So this is the ad hoc garlic crusher, and it actually rocks. So this is what I think is incredible. It's something that I have to put in my kitchen. So the stainless steel grid at the bottom, it rocks with a little bit of hand pressure. So when you have the garlic clove under it, you're able to apply an even amount of pressure across the surface of the clove. So you get a really nice uniform grind, and that's how you can mince the garlic or even grind it down to a paste. And then what also was really nice is the cleanup is so easy. So the board is acacia wood, which is naturally antibacterial. So all you have to do is wipe it down when you're done, and it's beautiful. So it can just sit on your countertop.
It is very beautiful. It's almost like a sculpture, isn't
It's
it?
really nice. It's definitely a design-led gadget that's also so functional. Really excited about this one.
So Lily, I've been trying to guess what this little wooden box is for, and I'm stumped. What is it?
It's a treat. You're gonna love this. So this is called the cheese grotto.
Right.
And the story behind this is that in the olden days, nomads would store their cheese in caves to keep them out of the sun in a cool temperature. And this little box basically does that for you. It creates a microclimate that's perfect to store your cheese.
Yeah.
So it's great for semi and hard cheeses. It keeps the humidity at 70% or above, which is the ideal humidity.
But how
to
does it
keep
do
the
that
cheese.
if it's just a box?
So basically, at the bottom here, we've got this little clay brick. So you soak the brick for about 3 minutes in water, and then when the brick is underneath the cheese, it is keeping the humidity at the right temperature by slowly releasing water into the air. And then the box is made of sustainable birch wood, and then you also get this lovely bamboo shelf as well, so your cheese will sit on that. It's really nice, and this is great because it's small enough to fit in our fridge. So I know I had the problem. I had way too much cheese. I couldn't find it in my cheese shelves. And this is great because it's a compact thing that fits in my fridge, but then I can still put a couple of boxes of cheese in it. But then for the cheese lovers who have a lot of space, we have a larger size that carries twice as much cheese as this. And we even have an even bigger size that holds almost 2 kilograms of cheese.
Oh my
I
goodness.
think I'd need the biggest one.
I know, I feel that I need a bigger fridge.
Yeah.
But they're phenomenal.
Wow.
And I know that they are being raved about in the US, and I know that we're just so excited to be able to bring these over because the story and just the thought behind it is one of a kind. So we've also got a sushi platter that's really special. This is the Midori Japanese sushi platter, and what's nice about this is, other than it's gorgeous, it goes with all of our sushi sets, and I think that that's just really nice. I'm a sushi lover. It's my favorite food. I have to go out for sushi at least once a month, but then I really like to make it at home, share it with my family, have everybody around the table and be able to plate the sushi. And I had the set, but I really wanted something to put in the center. And so this final piece we were able to have join our collection to match the rest of the sets.
I love it. And what's so nice is it's great to make your own, but you don't have to. So even if you get takeout, when it gets delivered, you can display it really nicely and make it even more special.
It's so true. So another really exciting set we have is the 3 Spirits Trio. So this is really exciting because it's actually 0% alcohol, but it tastes like a full cocktail experience, which is really, really nice. So we have 3 different ones in this set: the Livener, the Nightcap, and the Social Elixir. They were created by bartenders and plant enthusiasts, and they really understand the different layers of the herbals that go into it. So that's how they get all of those nuances that you would get in a cocktail. So we'll start with the Livener. So this one's supposed to be an energizer. So it's fruity, it's mood boosting, it's really fiery because it's got a kick of ginger at the end. So this one is supposed to liven you up, make you feel more energized.
That sounds good.
So you can drink them straight up on the rocks, you can drink them straight like this, or you can mix them. The Livener is actually suggested to be mixed with the tonic, so if you want just a little bit of a tonic and a little bit of a fizz, you can do that quite easily with this one. It's supposed to be very light.
Oh, I love that.
You can feel that berry at the end.
That's so nice.
And then the ginger really picks you up at the end. So next we have our Nightcap. So this one's really nice because it's a bit more mellow. If you're not having a night out, or you're just having a night in, or you need to relax from your day, you can try this one. So this one is more calm, it's woody, it has notes of maple and vanilla to sort of blend out the flavors. So this one you can still drink on the rocks. You can drink it straight, or you can mix it with a little bit of an orange twist. So we have here these wonderful orange dehydrated slices in a set. So you have a regular one, we have a blood orange one, and then we also have a lemon and a lime. But this one is quite well complemented with the orange. But for now, let's just try it straight
Thank you.
to get the full effect.
It's delicious. It's really
It's
quite
really
savoury,
nice.
but it's yummy.
You can still taste it. You can definitely taste it more mellow because I still have a little bit of that ginger from the livener, but you can taste it as more mellow and a little bit of that sweetness as well coming through.
Yeah, you can-
without being like actually sweet or sickly.
You feel the notes of the vanilla and the cocoa. And lastly, we have the social elixir. This one is really fascinating because it actually includes mushrooms.
Ooh.
So really different. So since they're plant scientists, they really know how to build all those flavors together and make something really unique. So this has the lion's mane mushroom.
And lion's mane is that great big fluffy pom-pom mushroom, isn't it?
Yeah, along with, they balance it with cocoa. So that's how they bring in that savory flavor.
It's quite bitter, but that's great, like, especially if you want to replicate a Negroni or something. I can really see that working.
Yeah.
So another product we're really excited about is the Jose Gourmet tinned fish range. So this one is one of the newest ones, the spiced mackerel pate. It's really nice. So it's a spiced mackerel with peri-peri spices and Portuguese olive oil.
Yum.
So it's really fresh. The brand is known for doing all sustainable fish. They work with local fisheries, and then they also, what I think is really special, is they collaborate with artists to do a different label for every single tinned fish that they do.
I was gonna say I really like the artwork on it.
They really stand out and just really one-of-a-kind pieces. And it makes you want to buy them all.
To
not just
collect them all,
because-
collect items.
Exactly. Some that I'm really excited about are these front couple of items here. So we've got some amazing flavor dusts with Korean pantry. So we've got kimchi seaweed flakes, we have kimchi salt flakes, and kimchi chili flakes. So
Can we
these-
open them?
Yes, I think
Great.
we should. We should definitely try them.
Great.
Really, I just think
wanna try the
looking
seaweed
for
one.
something easy that I can sprinkle on everything, over my eggs, over my toast in the morning. I just
Yum.
need something
So
that
these
goes
are
with
really
everything.
lovely big flakes of salt and gochugaru. It's delicious.
That fermented kick from the kimchi,
Sharp smell,
and that's something
delicious.
that's really different than a lot of things that we've tried. You know, I've had chili flakes, and it's that extra punch of flavor that it really, really shines when you put it over anything. We also have the gochugaru chili oil, which is amazing. It's definitely something that we've been loving when we're doing tasting, is all the different chili sauces and the chili crunches, but this one's really unique because you get that gochugaru taste. Yeah, it's great drizzled over your eggs. I'd make sure that I get a bit of everything and get it nice and mixed together so that you get a really good flavor bite when you bite into it.
That's so good.
It's very good. But I don't think it's too spicy. Then if you're not a spice fan, we've got this incredible Sunday sauce from Kombini. So this is really nice. It's Japanese inspired. It's between a tonkatsu sauce and a teriyaki sauce. So it's not spicy at all, but it's really rich in that umami flavor as well. So this is great for putting on udon noodles or adding to something, like even just a sausage sandwich if you wanted to add a bit of flavor to it.
I love the packaging. It's so pretty.
We fell in love with the cats. We really did. We love anything playful and fun, but then it tasted delicious. So it was
It's super
just a
cute.
win-win.
That was our new in for this month. Please hit subscribe to Sous Chef UK if you want to see everything coming up, and you'll be the first to know our absolute favorites for the month.